Ahoy and happy holidays, my nibblings. My name is Roman Wabishi, and welcome to my channel. As you can see, I'm dressed like a pirate as I introduce to you a new series that I'm starting called Crafting in Cosplay. Now, why am I dressed as a pirate? So this year, as I do every year, I like to build a gingerbread house for the holidays. So as I was browsing the internet looking for which gingerbread house kit I wanted to build, I found a ton of more unique options. From trains to trucks. I think I even found a lighthouse at one point. But I noticed I couldn't find a pirate ship or any boat. I thought it would be a unique challenge to try to make that happen today. As you can see, I chose this Oreo mini village cookie kit. I decided to go with a village kit because it'll come with a bunch of smaller pieces that I could use to build my pirate ship. I drew out a reference image for what I'm thinking I might be building on this poster card, and I'll edit it here on the screen so you can see it better. And that's about it. I think we're ready to get started. I've not opened this kit before, so I'm not sure how big these mini village pieces are gonna be. Based on the instructions on the back of the box, I'm guessing they're gonna be pretty tiny. Going through, it looks like this kit came with your gingerbread, gumdrops, hard candy light bulbs, sprinkles, Oreos, and icing. I also have a box of Pocky that I plan to use, and I'll show you how that comes into play later. Okay, so these are the four. Oh, they're stuck together. I'm so scared of breaking them. Ooh, got it. I expected them to smell like Oreo cookies. They do not. I guess they're kind of chocolatey? I don't know. Okay. Now to carefully break these apart. I have successfully separated all of them. It looks like we have 3 basic shapes and 8 of each of them. We have these roof pieces here. So these are our big squares. This is what I plan to use for the majority of my building. I have these house side pieces, and then these tiny squares that are meant to be used for the side of the house. These are much smaller than I anticipated, and hopefully that doesn't hinder us. I suppose there's nothing left to do than to get started. Starting with Why is this frosting so hard to get out of here? God, you could see my arm trembling. What the hell?
Yay!
First piece down. Let's go. I should have seen that coming. Realizing very quickly that this is going to be a bit of a arm workout. No! Okay. That is horrible. Maybe I just need to knead the icing more so that it's warmer and more pliable. There we go. Just put you right there. Warm up for me, buddy. In the meantime, let's see if I can get this. You know what? Maybe you could help those hold up? No? We're off to a great start. Give me a moment. Let's try this again. Oh, that's so much warmer. Now let's try this again. A fucking hole in the bag? It really was fighting that nozzle that much? Holy shit. It won't even spread. Okay, looks like we're using my fingers, y'all. This is not how I expected this to go. So, for the walls in my original sketch, I was planning on using 2 of these. Let's try to hold these up for visuals. And then another one of these. And that would be the end of the boat. I think that fits the plate well. Maybe. Sure. I say let's do it. So this one needs 3 of it. Oh, right. I forgot it was leaking. It's a good thing this isn't actually sticky, or I might be making a mess. Like, it literally will not stick to the cracker. This is what I get. No. I'm just gonna carry on anyways. See? We got this. I'm gonna try gluing it like that. Huzzah! It worked. Now the next piece, we got this. Fuck yeah, we're making progress. Fuck yeah. This way, so bottom. No! This is turning into a disaster. Okay. Okay. There we go. You got a corner to lean on. It's staying. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Ah. This is a structural nightmare. We have the outline sort of completed. I really expected this video to be going better, guys. I am so sorry. Now what I expected to do was to put this here as a type of ship deck. First things first, I'm gonna put another one of these in here for stability. Here we go, giving this boat structural integrity. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, come on. Please. No, okay. There we go. Don't look at the back. It's fine. We're doing this. Does it look like a boat yet? Can I go home now? This is my last small piece. Stay. Please just stay. All right, we got this. After this, we add one last final touch. Stay. No. Come on. We're almost done with the building part. And you're gonna stay. Upright, please. We have our completed boat. Yeah! Now it's time to move on to decorations. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to decorate this. I'm thinking keeping it simpler is key right now. Okay, hopefully it stays. What I brought with me is a plastic bag and some piping tips, and we're going to try to get some frosting I can actually pipe. Now I have a piping bag that should hopefully not make things difficult. Make things difficult. Make things difficult. No, are you kidding me? No, stop, please. God, why is this my luck? This is not the kind of YouTube content I thought that I would be making. I don't have a way to make this not fall. Maybe the Oreos can come to the rescue. We've gone so far without using a single Oreo. Hello, Oreos. Help me. We're gonna put you in a box. How's that sound? I think this is gonna stay up now. Fantastic. Which is great, because I brought some paper to try to make a pirate flag. No. We're gonna let that sit and dry off to the side while we continue figuring out what the fuck we're gonna do. Let's put some Christmas lights on this bitch. Let's do some green and red. Okay. Now, another thing I wanted to use the Pocky for was because I wanted to do, like, railings. But I'm not so sure that's gonna work very well anymore. God, this is not the time for me to be messing with the structural integrity of this ship. Okay, hopefully those stay up as well. I'm gonna put some Oreos across the back. Just because it just needs something. Gorgeous. I think this has dried enough, but I realize this icing is really heavy, so hopefully this doesn't fuck me up. Don't break the Pocky. Don't break the Pocky. Ooh, it's leaning. It's definitely leaning. I knew this would be the most challenging part, but I was really hoping that this would work. I'm trying to tell if it's leaning or not. I don't think it's moving. I think we're good. I think we're in the clear. I think we got this. Hell yeah. How else can we decorate this? Oh yeah, I'll add some green gumdrops on the back of these Oreos. Just to really emphasize this whatever stack I have going on. Let's see. Does the anchor go in the front of the boat or the back of the boat? I'm gonna say the back of the boat. What does an anchor look like? It's kind of like a happy face, right? How's that? On the package, it showed like a weird way to make a bow out of these red pieces. So I think I want to try to do that on the front of the ship here. Oh yeah, look at that bow. Compare it next to the box. Perfect. Here's a nice close-up look of our final product. It didn't turn out as horribly as I thought it might. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give me suggestions of other things I can build. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It'll help a small YouTuber like me out. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. I have so many of these square pieces left over. It doesn't even taste like chocolate. It's just crunch.